Welcome to the future of smart manufacturing with our fully integrated ERP system. Designed specifically for modern production companies, this platform connects every department into one intelligent ecosystem. From production and inventory to finance and HR, everything works seamlessly together. Gain complete operational visibility, improve efficiency, and accelerate business growth. Transform your factory into a digitally empowered enterprise. Many production companies struggle with disconnected systems, manual processes, and operational delays. Inventory mismatches, production bottlenecks, and reporting inefficiencies affect profitability every day. Without centralized visibility, decision-making becomes slow and reactive. Growing businesses need smarter coordination between departments and operations. That is where a fully integrated ERP system becomes essential. Our ERP solution centralizes all business operations into one unified platform. It connects production, procurement, inventory, sales, finance, and HR in real time. Automated workflows reduce manual work and improve operational accuracy. Business leaders gain instant access to critical performance data and analytics. The result is faster operations, better control, and smarter business management. Efficient production planning is critical for manufacturing success. Our ERP system helps schedule jobs, allocate resources, and monitor production workflows in real time. Automated work orders improve coordination between teams and production units. Managers can easily track targets, capacity utilization, and production progress. This leads to faster output, reduced downtime, and improved operational efficiency. Inventory accuracy directly impacts manufacturing performance and profitability. The ERP system provides real-time tracking of raw materials, finished goods, and warehouse stock. Automated stock alerts help prevent shortages and overstocking situations. Barcode and batch tracking improve traceability and operational control. With smarter inventory management, businesses can reduce waste and improve efficiency. Procurement operations become faster and more organized with ERP automation. The system streamlines purchase requests, approvals, supplier quotations, and vendor management. Businesses can compare suppliers, monitor procurement costs, and track purchase orders efficiently. Automated workflows reduce delays and improve purchasing transparency. This ensures better supplier relationships and optimized procurement performance. Maintaining consistent product quality is essential for customer satisfaction and compliance. The ERP system integrates quality inspections directly into production workflows. Quality checkpoints, defect tracking, and compliance documentation are managed digitally. Managers gain complete visibility into quality performance and corrective actions. This helps businesses maintain high manufacturing standards and customer trust. Unexpected machine downtime can severely impact production schedules and profitability. Our ERP system enables preventive maintenance planning and equipment monitoring. Maintenance teams can schedule servicing, track breakdowns, and manage spare parts efficiently. Real-time machine performance analytics improve operational reliability. This helps extend equipment lifespan and maximize factory productivity. Production businesses need seamless coordination between sales and manufacturing operations. The ERP system manages customer inquiries, quotations, sales orders, and delivery tracking in one platform. Sales teams gain real-time visibility into inventory and production status. Customers receive faster responses and more reliable delivery timelines. This improves customer satisfaction while strengthening business relationships. Financial visibility is essential for sustainable business growth. The ERP system integrates accounting, budgeting, and operational data into one centralized platform. Businesses can monitor cash flow, profitability, expenses, and cost centers in real time. Automated financial reporting improves accuracy and reduces manual effort. This empowers leadership teams to make faster and more informed financial decisions. Managing workforce operations becomes simpler and more efficient with integrated HR management. The ERP system automates attendance tracking, payroll processing, leave management, and shift scheduling. Employee records and performance information are securely centralized. HR teams can improve operational efficiency while reducing administrative workload. This creates a more productive and well-organized workforce environment. Modern manufacturing requires fast and data-driven decision-making. Our ERP dashboards provide live insights into production, inventory, finance, procurement, and sales operations. Business leaders can monitor KPIs and operational performance instantly. Interactive analytics help identify trends, risks, and improvement opportunities. This enables smarter planning and stronger business control. One of the biggest advantages of ERP is complete business integration. Every department operates within a unified and connected system. Production, inventory, procurement, finance, HR, and sales share real-time information seamlessly. This improves collaboration, reduces communication gaps, and increases transparency. The result is smoother operations across the entire organization. Manual processes often create delays, inefficiencies, and operational errors. Our ERP system automates repetitive workflows such as approvals, reporting, notifications, and documentation. Employees spend less time on administrative tasks and more time on strategic operations. Automation improves speed, consistency, and overall productivity. This helps businesses operate faster with greater accuracy. Business operations no longer need to be limited to office desktops. The cloud-enabled ERP system allows secure access from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Managers can monitor operations, approvals, and reports from anywhere in real time. Remote accessibility improves operational flexibility and business responsiveness. This ensures continuous control over your manufacturing operations. Every manufacturing industry has unique operational requirements and workflows. Our ERP solution is fully customizable to match specific production environments and business processes. From food manufacturing to engineering, packaging, textiles, and fabrication industries, the system adapts seamlessly. Flexible modules ensure smooth integration with existing operations. This delivers a solution tailored precisely to your business needs. A fully integrated ERP system directly contributes to improved business profitability. Operational efficiency increases while production waste and manual errors are reduced. Businesses gain better control over inventory, procurement, and production costs. Improved productivity and faster decision-making strengthen overall performance. This creates a smarter, leaner, and more profitable manufacturing operation. As your business grows, your ERP system should grow with you. Our scalable ERP platform supports single factories, multi-location operations, and expanding production environments. New departments, users, and modules can be added easily as business requirements evolve. The system is designed to support long-term operational expansion. This ensures your digital infrastructure remains future-ready. The manufacturing industry is rapidly evolving towards smart digital operations. Businesses relying on spreadsheets and disconnected systems risk falling behind competitors. Our ERP platform enables complete digital transformation across the organization. Real-time visibility, automation, and intelligent analytics create a smarter production environment. This is the foundation for modern, technology-driven manufacturing success. Now is the time to modernize your production business with a fully integrated ERP solution. Empower your teams with smarter tools, real-time visibility, and automated workflows. Improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and accelerate business growth. Schedule a personalized ERP consultation and discover how digital transformation can benefit your organization. Take the next step toward building a smarter and more profitable manufacturing enterprise.